these were notorious for leaking. So as you can see, they've got some little gray goop in there. But I've used on the other XJ, I took some of this clear silicone and I put it around all the edges, all around, and it's been on there for over a year and hasn't leaked a drop. So I'm going to do the same thing with these. Now these are the OEM driving lights. As you can see, there's one there. That one I found actually zip tied way up in the fender area. So I remounted that one, and of course this one is just wire, and I think, as you can see, there is just remnants of the bracket, so that should be an easy fix. Well, I had to drill it out. Those bolts were seized up in there. So should be pretty easy from here, though. All right. Put a little anti-seize on it. There we go. Alright, it's on. I just got to angle it a little bit. You got to loosen this up right here and aim it, plug it in, and that should do it. Yeah, we're going to clean off the connector. Oh yeah, jump in right here. Ugh. Alright, the conclusion of a simple yet necessary job. These are the original running lights. Some people call them fog lights, but they're actually running lights that came on them originally, as you can see. I have them on another Cherokee, and they work good. It really enhances the old sealed beam lights, because these do not have LEDs or anything. So it's about $30. I put another bulb in the old one on the other side, and that was only about $6. And I got these from eBay. And as you can see, you're going to need, assuming you can get them out, I had to drill mine out, but you're going to need a T40 Torx bit to get these out. This is the original bracket. As you see, I had to drill through it to get this thing out. And that's the old connector that was on what was left of the old light, which was only that. And I put some some dielectric grease on the connector. So maybe you'll want to do this to your cheap Jeep. And if you need to just change the bulb out of these things, it's a Sylvania H3. This was like $6.99 at AutoZone. Even on their website, it says it's like $13, but in the store it was only like $7.